The Grizzly G0953 portable HEPA Fume Extractor filters out smoke and volatile organic compounds. It's the perfect in-room filter for fiber lasers cutting wood, plastics, metal, as well as for welding. Keep costly heated or cooled air in the room instead of piping it outside. The concept is simple. Fumes and particulates go in and fresh air comes out. Let's take a look inside and see how it works. 3 modules hold 8 filter stages, pulling bad air from the top and releasing filtered air through the bottom. The top module holds a spark arrestor, which is essential for welding, a pleated pre-filter, a bag filter, and another pleated filter for gathering particulate matter. The middle module holds 3 separate activated carbon filters which trap and neutralize harmful fumes and poisonous gases. A pleated filter provides additional filtration. The bottom module holds an additional micron filter and finally a high-efficiency particulate air filter which removes 99.97% of small particulates down to 0.3 microns. The 1 horsepower motor powers an aluminum impeller. With its upright design, small form factor, and locking casters, it's easy to roll around and put into use wherever you need it. The input housing gives you many options. A main 6-inch input pulls in 550 CFM. The included 2x4-inch manifold gives you 334 CFM on one 4-inch hose and a combined 590 CFM for both hoses. The top 4 4-inch inlets can be opened to operate the fume extractor for room air filtration, where it runs at a quiet 70 decibels, about the level of an ordinary conversation. The machine also includes a remote control and an efficiency gauge to indicate filter replacement. The manual was written by our US-based technical documentation department. Our technical support team and parts warehouse is also US-based. The G0953 is built in an ISO 9001 factory and is CSA certified. For more specifications, pricing, and availability, visit grizzly.com.